Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To get to the cabin filter, we're going to open the lower glove box. You probably want to empty it because on this side there's a small little piston. That's what, so when it doesn't slam open. So you just pop it off, and then you'll push in on this side here. It's entirely possible it will unclip from the dashboard too. It's not really a big deal. It's just plastic clips underneath. So you can actually pop it right off, get it out of the way. Inside here is your cabin air filter. So push this lock tab in, open up the little door, pull the cabin air filter out. That was actually not too bad. Here's your original cabin air filter and a brand new one from 1aauto.com. Same exact size, style. This one will fit great and work great for you. Take the new one, slides right into the opening. Take our cover, capture this tab on this side. Push it right over. There's an arrow pointing up. Clips into place. The part's complete. Take our glove box, clip it back on, lift it up, push it up into place. It's on the locks, and then reinstall the little shock, just like that. Job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.